Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine at home. Now let me start our maths period without wasting any time. Let me take today I'm three questions, question number 7, 8 and 9. Here the question number 7 is simply tell what property allows you to commute 1 by 3 into of bracket 6 into 4 by 3 as bracket of 1 by 3 into 6 bracket into 4 by 3. Now you have seen the numbers are the same, only the difference of the bracket here. Firstly, he will take both number, last two both number, and in the second part he take first two number as in bracket to solve. Here only the difference of bracket in this question. Now it means it is use associativity property here. What is the associativity property? Associativity property says if you multiply first two numbers with the third number or first number to the second both number, okay, so that is called, you will get the answer same. It means it is used associativity property. Now here is the answer is, here there is a use of associativity properties. Simple answer. You only have to write the name of the property in this answer. Okay, do not solve it, only property you have to give the name of the property also. Okay, now the next question, question number 8 is 8 upon 9, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 upon 8. Why or why not? Here let me find the multiplicative inverse is 8 upon 9. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8. Here is the answer. Okay, you have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8. Let me find the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8. Let me solve it first. It is 8 ones are 8 or 1 9 upon 8. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 upon 8 equal to minus 8 upon 9. Okay, I will get the answer minus 8 upon 9. Let me check the answer that we get and the answer given in the question are same. No. Why no? The digits of numerator and denominator are same, 8 upon 9, 8 upon 9. But the answer that I get is in the negative, minus 8 upon 9. And in the question there is a no sign of the mark. It means it is the answer of positivity. Right now, but I get the answer in negatively. So 8 upon 9, I write no, 8 upon 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8 because the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 1 by 8 is in negative. Okay, because the answer we get that is in negative, and but in the question the number given is it is in positive. That is why there is a difference behind it. Now let me start the next question. Same question as we do here is 0.3, the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Why or why not? This is also answer that you have given. Now you have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Now let me start our answer. The firstly write the number 3 1 by 3 equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 are 1, 10 upon 3. Now find the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of 10 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 10. Now there is a zero term in the denominator, so we have to write here, there is a 1 0, so we have to write in a decimal like that. Okay, 1 0, give the decimal after give the one digit after the decimal. So here we get the answer, and the answer in the question is same, 0 0.3 0 0.3, and no sign of any kind are there with the given answer or the answer we get. So both are same. So let me write the line. Yes, the multiplicative inverse of one second. Yes, here I forget to write 0 0.3. Yes, 0 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1/3, because the given answer and the answer we get both are same. Simple. Only there is a line to there is a line need to write here, that is why your complete answer will be count. Okay, no need to take any pressure on the mind. If you not understand any question, let me call to me, I understand you again, watch the video one time, two time, three times. After that you will not understand the question, please call me for your help. Okay, you now do three questions, question number 7, 8 and 9 in today date in a Saturday class. Okay, do it same in your homework. Any problem, please contact me. Bye bye.